what's going on today?
Well, going skydiving for my 25th birthday.
25. Insurance going down. Now it's going back up. All right. What made you decide to do this besides that? All right, we got our brand new jumpsuits here by Fluxor, brand new. We got this guy. He is from the temporary service. No, he's called Manpower Temporary Extreme. Okay? All right, they were actually going to send their best guy and they sent him instead. But we don't skydive to die, we skydive to live. You ready to do this? All right, no matter what happens, I'm gonna be okay.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria.
Here comes my final approach, birthday girl. Coming in for a picture perfect landing with the Tandem's Master Owen. Oh yeah, rotated it. Hi, birthday girl. You look like you were having so much fun.
Amazing.
All right, let's stay right here by your instructor. All right, here comes your friend. All right, welcome back to planet Earth. Happy birthday to you. I'm gonna rotate because of the sun. Happy birthday to you. We took an extra guy with us, he hung out. Would you say anything to any of your friends?
Everybody needs to do it.
Yes, they do here where? Skydive Alabama, right?
Skydive Alabama. I owe it.
The coolest thing about it is you defied all odds, went with this guy, survived anyway.